Let's talk about conditional expressions. Let's start off with the if. The if executes when the condition is satisfied. Like this code, if a is less than 10, it prints out the string. Like other languages, Kotlin provides else if and else operators too. So far, it sounds like if in other languages. However, this is the difference. In Kotlin, the if can be an expression which returns a value. If we use the if operator as an expression, we should use the else operator too. If the if or else block have multiple operations, the last operation returns the value. The if expression can use else if operator too, but again, we should still use the else operator. The else operator is mandatory. Here we have a simple function. We have if statement here. This is a very typical if statement. Like I said earlier, if you use if as an expression, it returns the result value. So we can get the result value from the if expression. Oh, as you can see, we got an error. It's because when we use if expression, the else is required. So we should add the else operator. Here is the question. What is expression? Between expression and statement, there are some differences. Technically saying, expression consists of variables, operators, or functions that evaluate to a single value. On the other hand, statements consist of characters and symbols that make up a complete unit of execution. Simply put, expression return a value and statements don't. So in Java, if is a statement, but in Kotlin, if can be an expression. Next is when. When is also one of the conditional expression, which is very close to the switch operator of C or Java. Here is sample code snippet. For example, if the a2's value is 1, it'll print out this. And if the value is 2, it'll print out the second one. Otherwise, it'll print out the string in the else block. It looks like the switch case statement. When's argument can be any other types than just only int type. Here's another sample that has a string argument. Here data1 is a string. If the value is hello, it'll print out the first one. And if the value is world, it'll print out the second one. Otherwise, it'll print out the last one. The branch condition can be just a data type. And we can use type and data together for the branch condition. And also we can have multiple conditions combined with comma. And also we can use a range too. And lastly, like the if operator, when can be an expression too, which means when can return some value. Like if operator, if when is used as an expression, the else branch is mandatory and the last operation returns the value. Here is a sample function which has an any type parameter. Like the first line, the branch condition can be only single condition. Or like the second line, the branch condition can be more than one. And a branch block can have multiple operations. And string or other data types can be a condition value. Lastly, data types like int and string can be a condition too. This is it for conditional expressions.